Hey guys, how are you all doing? If you are also facing issues with your Google Play Store payment method, then this video is exactly for you. Today I will show you how you can easily fix payment method errors on your Google Play Store. Make sure to watch this video from start to end so you don't miss any important step. As you know, we use the Play Store to download apps, and sometimes we need to pay for subscriptions like games, editing apps, books, or other premium services. But if your payment method is not working or showing errors, don't worry, I have got a simple fix for you. But before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my upcoming video. Now let's get started. First, go to your phone settings, then tap on apps, find and open Google Play Store service. Go to storage and tap on clear cache. After that, go back and open Play Store. Again, go to storage and tap on clear cache. That's it. Now open your Play Store. Go to your profile and check your payment method. Your issue should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and stay connected with Zonic Tech for more useful tech videos. Thanks for watching.